Play and learn for kids. Listen, speak, read and learn. Subscribe us and click on bell icon to get every new videos. Hello kids, let's learn simple addition through Abacus. One apple in one straw represent 1 1, which is equal to number 1. One apple in 10 straws represent 110, which is equal to number 10. 4 apples in one straw is equal to number 4. 7 apples in 10 straws is equal to number 70. 3 apples in 10 straws and 9 apples in one straw is equal to number 39. 7 apples in 10 straws and 5 apples in one straw is equal to number 75. What is 11 plus 1? We have 1 apple in 10 straws and 1 apple in one straw. We have to add 1 more apple in one straw, which is equal to number 12. What is 24 plus 13? We have 2 apples in 10 straws and 4 apples in one straw. We have to add 1 more apple in 10 straws and 3 more apples in one straw, which is equal to 37. What is 45 plus 25? We have 4 apples in 10 straws and 5 apples in one straw. We have to add 2 more apples in 10 straws and 5 more apples in one straw. If we add 1 more apple in one straw, it will become 10. As 10 ones are equal to 110, we will add 1 apple in 10 straw. Now we will add 2 apples in 10 straw. Now the answer is 70. What is 63 plus 13? We have 6 apples in 10 straws and 3 apples in one straw. We need to add 1 more apple in 10 straws and 3 more apples in one straw. Now we will add 1 more apple in 10 straws. The answer is equal to 76. What is 82 plus 10? We have 8 apples in 10 straws and 2 apples in one straw. We need to add 1 more apple in 10 straws. As it is 0, we need not add any apple in one straw, which is equal to 92. What is 33 plus 33? We have 3 apples in 10 straws and 3 apples in one straw. We have to add 3 more apples in 10 straws and 3 more apples in one straw. And 3 more apples in 10 straws. The answer is equal to 66. What is 23 plus 48? We have 2 apples in 10 straws and 3 apples in one straw. We need to add 4 more apples in 10 straws and 8 more apples in one straw. If we add one more apple in one's rod, it will become 10. As 10 ones are equal to 110, we will add one apple in 10's rod. We need to add one more apple in one's rod. Now we need to add 4 more apples in 10's rod. The answer is 71. Hope you like our videos. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe us to watch more videos.